MIiCA started with something simple. Two sisters living in different cities who wanted to create something together. In 2020, with the world on pause, Olga in Barcelona and Meritxell in Berlin turned a long-time dream into a real project. Inspired by their own lives, their cities and their daughters, Mina and Carla, MIiCA was born as a brand that blends timeless design with everyday practicality. Barcelona brings warmth, tradition and craftsmanship. Berlin adds edge, minimalism and the modern energy. The result? Handbags that feel both classic and current. Carefully made, beautiful balance and designed to move with real life. How and when was MIiCA born? What was the turning point that led you to start this journey together? You are two sisters living in very different cities, Barcelona and Berlin. How do these two realities influence the creative process and the brand's DNA?
Well, MIiCA was born in the 2020 during a global time of insecurity, and something inside was growing, and I wanted to do something with my sister, and that was the principal reason of it. And we always have been loving the bags and all these kind of accessories. And the first of all thing is MIiCA is a tribute to our daughters, to Mina and Carla. And from these 3 points, everything has been started.
That's super beautiful. How would you define MIiCA in 3 words? What do you aim to express with each of your bags?
Well, we can define MIiCA Barcelona in these 3 words: artisanship, authenticity, and functionality. I can start with authenticity because it's a brand with soul. It's a real story between 2 sisters. It's a family story, and we want to make a genuine project. The second one will be artisanship because they are completely handcrafted in Barcelona, and we use just high quality materials, and we pay attention to every detail, and we take the time necessary for every creation. Mm-hmm. And the last one will be functionality because our bags, they are not only beautiful.
They are.
They have to be for your everyday life. So we want to combine this elegance with functionality and for the every different moments in your day.
And when you are buying these bags, you are investment in this product.
Mm-hmm. And at MIiCA, we want to express this quiet luxury lifestyle. So what you are saying, no? When you are buying a MIiCA Barcelona bag, you are not buying a trendy piece of this season. You are investing in a timeless design, in a high quality product that will be with you your whole life.
Super nice. Mm-hmm. And how can you ensure that this production, like the processes and everything, are responsible with the environment and the society?
Well, we can guarantee it through 3 key commitments, like local and artisanal production, because we collaborate with a super atelier in VIII, Barcelona, and they are experts in leather, so they have a really professional background, long professional background with that, and this guarantees this ethical and this high quality production manufacturing. And with that, we want to support this craftsmanship, this artisanal work, and that's one of our purpose in this project. The second one could be, it is sustainable materials, because we are proud to use bio-based certificate leather from Italy. So we care about this environmental impact. We try to do our best. And the third one will be conscious production, because every bag is completely made by hand. So that means that from the cutting the leather to the stitching to the finishing, everything is made by hand. And it can be that from bag to bag, from design to design, you may find some little differences, because it means it is made from one person to another person. So everyone works in their own way, no?
And that's really good, because if you can compare these pieces, you can see this little difference, but that make you sure that is made for you.
And that's our philosophy, made for you. Exclusively made for you.
Yeah.
That's super nice, because it's a piece that it's unique. And it's super
it makes
special.
it unique, exactly.
Yeah.
Super
and that's
nice.
our motto, no? That's the beginning of everything, that made by hand, and you have a special piece back, just only.
Especially for you.
Yeah,
Exactly.
And what kind of person connects with MIiCA's philosophy? What's her lifestyle, or what does he do?
Everybody is welcome to MIiCA's philosophy, and everybody can be
connect.
into our community.
It can be from the busy professional woman, from the creative spirit, or the leader in her community. That's why we have different designs in our collection that fits these needs of these different lifestyles.
That's super nice. And what are your plans for the future? Do you plan to expand to a new product range, to explore new materials?
Absolutely. We want to expand. We want to try new materials. We are already designing new bags, and we want to complement our collection with little accessories. And a little bit break news, and we are venturing in a men design.
Oh, what a talent!
Yes, the challenge. But absolutely, this man has to share the values of our loyal MIiCA community, but with
Step by step.
So
by step, because
don't
we
hurry on the process.
Yeah, and we won't lose this philosophy to keep the quality and the time, the necessary time to do this new
for the
batch.
production, exactly.
Wow, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for showing a little bit of MIiCA's
Thank you. It was
story.
a pleasure.
MIiCA isn't about rushing or following fast trends. It's about doing things with care and making products that last, in quality, in style, and in meaning. Each bag is thoughtfully designed to fit into the rhythm of modern life, with a focus on elegance, function, and sustainability. And as the brand slowly grows, exploring new designs, new materials, and even new categories, as you said, one thing stays the same: a commitment to doing things with intention and heart. Because when something's built from a real story, it finds its ways to the right people. This has been such a stylish conversation. Thank you so much one more time.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
And let's move on to the next voice in fashion.